so excited. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited for this video. I have been waiting for this package for I think like 2.5 weeks now. 2 weeks? 2 weeks. So if you don't know, I love fitness and I love all of that stuff. I love workout clothes. I'm gonna put my Instagram fitness account right here. I do a lot of workouts and a lot of health and food related stuff, but once in a while I like to buy myself some workout clothes. This bag is from Do You Even, and I know they're having a Black Friday sale, so let's just get into it. I'm gonna show you what I got and I'm gonna put a try on part obviously, and I'm gonna review this and tell you if it's worth it, if it's not, see-through, squat proof, everything. I'm gonna post this on Thursday so you can kind of see if you like something and if you want to get something from the Black Friday sale. And the Black Friday sale is November 23rd. These look so cute, these colors. So basically I bought 2 leggings, 1 short, and like the matching sports bra. So let's start with, I just wanted to say they gave me like a free gift bag. Let me just open it. It's cute though, and it's black, so it matches with everything. And I also bought myself a mask. Look. So it has kind of adjustable straps. So let's start with the, what color is this? Does it say? Khaki green. This is the short set in khaki green. Oh my god. Could you just please look at these shorts? Oh, these are extra small. They are stretchy. The elastic band is a bit more stretchy than this part. Oh my god, it has like a scrunch on the back, like on the booty. And the matching bra, I bought that on a small because I really like my sports bra to be a size up of what I usually wear, because I don't know, it gives me anxiety to be all tightened up. So, squat proof test. Let's see how squat proof this is. I have the scrunch seamless leggings in the color Cantaloupe. So I have the leggings and the sports bra. Let's get into it. Oh, the leggings are in a size extra small, right? Yeah. This looks insane. Like in person, this color looks beautiful. Look. And the scrunch on the back, I love it. They are very stretchy, very stretchy. We have the logo on the front. Let's get into the sports bra. I got the sports bra on a size small, and this is how it looks like. They have improved because their other, I don't know the collection, but they have one type of sports bra that are so tight. Like, I cannot even explain how tight. And lastly, I have another set, the scrunch seamless leggings in the color pastel pink. I have the leggings on an extra small. Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay, I didn't buy the sports bra to this legging, but I did buy a matching top that is the same exact color, but I just wanted to try their tops instead of buying another sports bra. So, oh my gosh. Extra small. And you guys, this color is like the perfect kind of purple but pinkish pastel. I don't know what you want to call it, but This is so cute. I hope these are squat proof, because if they're not, I'm gonna be a bit disappointed. Final thing that I got is the cropped tee in color pink and in a size small, because all my tops I like in a size small. So guys, remember that on November 23rd they are hosting their Black Friday sales, and by the way, this is not sponsored. I wish. Just to clarify, I just really like the company. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was kind of quick, simple, but a bonus video. I was just really excited about this package. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an incredible day. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video on Saturday.